If you have a website and you're making at least $50,000 to $100,000 a month, this video is for you. It doesn't matter if you're an influencer, business coach, you're a gym, you've got a lawyer's firm, a cafe, a restaurant, whatever it is. If you're making money, you have a proper business, and you have a website, and I'm guessing if you have a proper business, you definitely do have a website. You need to understand that your website has to be optimized. And if it's not optimized, you're literally losing hundreds of thousands, if not millions of dollars. Now, the reason why I'm doing this video is this was about 2 weeks ago. I wanted to see other gyms in my area. And I'm currently paying, I think it's about $20 a week. And I thought, what are other gyms charging around my area? So what I did is I went onto Google and I searched for gyms near me. Here's what I found. The number one thing most people are looking for is how much it is. What is the price? Now, I want you to think, if you're searching for a gym near you, you're on Google, and I'm guessing maybe every month there's maybe 1 to 10,000 people searching in your area for gyms near me because they simply want to know what the price is because they want to compare. So currently I'm on an amazing gym membership. It's actually $18 a month. And I know that all other gyms, they can't compete with that. But me being a marketer and me helping companies scale, I was interested to see what they're doing with their websites, who can compete. But the thing is, what I saw, these companies, these gyms are losing millions of dollars. So what I found, not one of these websites, so I looked at 3 of them, not one of these websites had a price. This is a massive objection because 95% of people, maybe even 100% of people, when you have Google gyms near me, the first thing that you want to see is the price, how much it is. Because let's just say you're paying $20 a week. You want to know if there's a gym near you that's maybe cheaper. And if it's cheaper, then you might be thinking, okay, I might be able to save $5 a week here or $10 a month. But then you go, okay, what classes do they have? Timetable. So the first thing that people are searching for is gyms near me. Yep. They want to know how much it is per week, per month, per year, whatever, because they want to compare. Is this gym better than the gym that I'm currently at? Is it cheaper? Maybe it's the same price, but is it closer? Because what people want is price. They want to know what classes they are. So I'll give you an example. Let's just say I love yoga and I'm wanting to search for a gym near me that has yoga class. If I can't find that in the first 30 seconds, I'm gone. 95% of people leave. So as you're building a website, or if your website is not optimized for easy stuff like this, you're losing hundreds of thousands, if not millions of dollars. Now, when I'm talking millions of dollars, I'm talking franchises that, they're not small gyms. They're multinational. They've got maybe 50 to, 500 gyms. What locations? Now, I will say that most gyms or most websites that I looked at, the 3 websites that I looked at, they only had location. Now, that is good, but the objection is the price. Yeah? How much is this gym? Now, gyms are very dodgy. Now, the reason why I'm talking about gyms is that's what I did the research on the other week. And if I explain to you how to optimize a gym website or their marketing, you can start using this in, whatever business that you're currently doing. Because they all act similar. Yeah. It's about understanding human psychology, how people think. So, can you see this? Yep. So, price, table, like location. If you don't have price on your website, and I go on Google, I search for gyms near me, top 10 gyms in my area, whatever it is that people are searching for, and they cannot find the price, they will leave, because when people are confused, like, people hate wasting time. People are addicted to dopamine now. So if people have to think, if people have to try and put the pieces together, and it's too hard, people will leave and they'll search for another gym. And then if there's no price on that, then they get distracted and they probably go on TikTok and watch dancing videos. Does that make sense? So if you want to make more money, price. Have the price. Yeah. It can be on the homepage or on a menu button. Pricing or memberships. You click on memberships and it clearly shows you, basic membership, premium, platinum, but then also compared to what other gyms are doing. And I won't go into that. But if you're worried about putting your price, well, that tells me that you're dodgy. And a lot of people are thinking that, what are the hidden costs? Yeah. People know that gyms are dodgy. The sign up fees, that's a load of BS. Yeah. And for those that don't know, that's a gym's way to basically make more money. I will quickly explain that. So these are two different options. Which one of these looks cheaper? $16.95 or $20? This one is cheaper. However, this comes, so you can get the cheapest price. $150 sign-up fee. So this is what gyms do to make more money. Now, if you divide 150, divide that by 52 weeks in a year, that's an extra $3, yeah, which is pretty much that. So that's a gym's way to basically not be dodgy, but they're being really unethical. And a lot of people know this. Plus, it's the contracts. It's the hidden stuff. So when I go to a gym website and I don't see the price, I automatically think dodgy. Something that they're not showing me. I don't like this gym, I will leave. Whereas if a gym says no joining fee, $20, this is exactly what you get. But they also compare gyms. So I will give you an example. Two gyms in Australia, let's just say Fitness First and Good Life. Yeah. Let's just say Fitness First is $20 a week and Good Life is also $20 a week. Well, how do you get people to go to your gym and not the other gym? Again, I've erased it. It depends on price, timetable, location. Now, it could be more things. It could be congruency. It could be that you're a single guy and you're wanting to join a gym with a lot of good-looking girls in it. It could be that you're 65 years old and you want adults class, or you're more looking for machines. So this is done by marketing on your website, by what you promote on social media. There's so many different ways to optimize a website, but if you're not doing these three things, you're losing so much money. Now, let's not talk about gyms. Let's talk about business coaching websites or any website you can think of. What you need to do is you need to design it. Obviously, there's like hundreds of different things to optimize to make more money, get more leads, whatever it may be. But it's understanding human psychology. So what you need to do is you need to come up with at least 3 objections on why people are searching for you on Google, or why someone wouldn't join your gym. So the example that I'm talking about is I'm going on Google, typing in gyms near me. What are the 3 things that I need to know within 10, 20 seconds? And if I don't find that information, you've lost me as a customer. So the first thing is price. People want to know the price. So same thing. Let's just say I'm joining a boot camp, yeah? And I click on the boot camp website and it says, this is the best boot camp in Australia. Get a free trial for 7 days, blah, 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 blah. It means nothing. It means nothing, because after the 7-day trial, it could be $400 a week. And people aren't that dumb. Some people are, but not everyone is dumb enough to go, yeah? Whereas if you're honest and say, look, usually it costs $20 a week, but come for 7 days free. We won't even take your credit card. We won't take your photo. Simply put your name, email address, and sign a form that, if, you get injured by tripping over your feet, that's on you, whatever. But you literally get them into the gym, but you're honest up front. There's no confusion. There's no missing pieces, because when there's a missing piece, people get confused. And when they're confused, they seek dopamine. See, so I'm doing this video, it is 2023, and this has been happening for a while. If you want to go on a date, you no longer have to go outside and meet people. You don't have to go to a bar. You don't have to go to a cafe. You literally just go on your phone and swipe. You can do it on the toilet, swipe, swipe, swipe. Same thing with watching a movie. You no longer have to drive to the movie store, pick out a movie, read the back of the movie. You literally sit on the couch and go on Netflix. So we've conditioned ourselves to be lazy, and we've also conditioned ourselves to want things instantly. And when we don't get things instantly, the stress hormone, we want dopamine, and that's when people are stressed, that's when they start to procrastinate. And obviously I'll go in another video, with that as well. But when people are either stressed or there's not enough information, they have to use that brain. And I can't find the information. I'm confused. I don't know what the price is. I don't know if the yoga class is good. So I'm going to search for another gym. Or I get distracted and I just don't join the gym. So you've lost a customer. So what you need to do is, if someone's Googling your business, a lawyer firm, a real estate company, whatever it may be, business coach, whatever it is, what are the top 3 things that people are searching for that they need to know instantly? Now, you need to show them within 30 seconds how they can get that information. And if you can't do that, you will literally lose, depending on the size of your business. But if you're a big company, you're literally losing millions of dollars a year just by not understanding human psychology and how to optimize not just your marketing, but your website. I'm going to finish this video here. I hope that was helpful. I'll see you in the next video.